KAMSIN KN8016 Professional Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler. Wear resistant and lightweight housing. Exquisite muscle. Sensitive trigger. Spring loading switch. Hidden silencer. 21 gauge 80 series firmware stables. Golden nails with the opening facing up. Compatible with 21 gauge 80 series firmware stables. Connect air compressor. High quality tungsten steel muscle ensures smooth shooting. Powerful tools for woodworking. Wires or rope fixing. Leather attaching. Frame making and etc. KAMSIN, make your job easier.